To be honest, there are people earning $100 in one day by playing a game for 2 to 3 hours than those who are working in usual jobs in 5 hours per day. You can earn $100 a day just playing and having fun. This game under the Ethereum blockchain is changing everything in the NFT market. Today, we are going to talk about Axes. What is Axie Infinity? As we have mentioned before, this is a game but not a usual game. It's a play-to-earn crypto game built on the Ethereum network inspired by Pokemon universe. Axie Infinity allows you to earn tokens. Players breed, race, and battle. The platform's long-term aim is to introduce a wider proportion of the population to blockchain technology. Hello and welcome to Daily Crypto Facts. Also, we're giving away $25 by the end of next month to our one random subscriber to start them on their crypto journey. To enter, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment on your favorite crypto coin in the comment section down below. So, without further ado, let's dive into the topic. Until now, it's been working pretty good since it was a huge success in the Philippines. While the pandemic made many people unemployed, Axie Infinity became their source of money. Earning dollars saved many families there from a declining economy. So there's a real opportunity for those who want to play, and most of it is explained by the NFT phenomenon. Axies themselves can be traded in real life in the likes of the Axie marketplace as non-fungible tokens, also called NFTs. So let's talk about NFTs and why they're so important in this game and how Axie Infinity is changing the NFT market. Those cute little pets from the game are actually non-fungible tokens. At this point, maybe you already know what NFTs are, but we know that many of you still don't know, so here's a quick explanation here. They're digital collectibles that exist as blockchains and are better known for recently taking the art world by storm. As we're talking about art, to make it easier to understand, think of the Mona Lisa painting. If you tried to replicate it, it wouldn't be the same. The painting cannot be replicated without becoming something completely different than it is. Well, that's what makes NFTs so different from cryptocurrencies. For example, while you can have more than one Bitcoin and they're exactly the same as each other, you can't have more Mona Lisas, or in our case, NFTs. If Da Vinci's paintings were NFTs, you could own Salvatore, Mundi, The Last Supper, and Mona Lisa, but you couldn't replicate them, right? Moving on, the Axie's other in-game items like real estate, flowers, barrels, and lamps are all tradable as NFTs too. These are all bought and sold using Ethereum, the second biggest cryptocurrency in the crypto market. However, Ether isn't the only cryptocurrency in this game. The game works through two tokens, the Smooth Love Potion and the Axie Infinity Shards Governance Token. The Axies are bought and sold in Ethereum, but the cryptocurrencies you earn playing in the game are actually AXS or SLP. One of the most expensive Axies ever sold was the Angel, sold for 300F in November 2020, something around $829,000. At the moment, AXS is costing over 43. SLP is costing over 18 cents. How can you earn $100 in a day in Axie Infinity? First, you need to understand that the more you diversify your earning sources, the more likely you're going to get that amount. But don't worry, we're going to explain now 4 strategies you can use in Axie Infinity. The first way to do so is by farming daily, like challenges farming is the play-to-earn part. Basically, you invest your time to solve daily quests in the game. To get started, you need to have 3 Axies at least. It can be expensive, especially now when the game is on hype. Also, you must watch the energy levels of your Axies too. So, before jumping into either adventure mode or arena matches, you'll need to know how energy works. Each adventure or arena battle will cost you 1 energy. The maximum amount and refill speed of energy depends on the number of Axies you own. The daily quest will earn you a total of 50 SLP, around 9.55. To complete the quest, you have to complete the daily check-in, complete 10 adventure mode levels, and win 5 arena matches, playing only daily quests every day. During 30 days, you can earn over $286.50. Adventure mode is currently capped at 100 SLP per day. The amount of SLP you'll earn from each level is random, but the higher the level, the more SLP is rewarded. Defeating some bosses in adventure mode earns you one-time SLP rewards. For example, level 21, 200 SLP equals around 38. Level 36, 300 SLP equals around 57. The amount of SLP you can earn from arena matches is based on your rating. The higher your rating, the more SLP you'll earn. Axie Edge has listed the following amounts per win based on rating. The minimum is between 800 to 999, which gives you 1 SLP per win, and the maximum can be over 2,200, which gives you around 12 SLP per win. The next popular way is breeding, which is yet again another opportunity in the Axie Infinity universe is breeding Axies. As you breed more Axies, you can sell, lend, and create Axie scholarship teams. Breeding costs a flat fee of 4 AXS and a variable fee of SLP depending on how many times the participating Axies have been bred before. For example, breeding 2 virgin Axies costs 300 SLP and then scales up from there. The purer your Axies, the more you earn selling it. The next and most interesting way is trading. After breeding your Axies, you can sell it or buy others. Axies can also grow in value over time because of their demand or even their characteristics. It means that you can buy an Axie for a price today and sell it for double tomorrow. Of course, it depends on your trading strategy and knowledge about this market buying. The wrong Axie, on the other hand, can make you spend more money without getting to earn it again by trading. However, you can also choose to go for scholarship. After breeding Axies, well, if you're good at doing that, you can let other players use your Axies in exchange for a cut of the SLP. The Earn the Scholarship in the Axie Infinity universe is when a breeder gives out a free Axie team to a scholar. The veteran players or breeders do this because there are many aspiring players who want to start but don't have the money or resources to buy their first 3 Axies to get started. So if you're one of these aspiring players, maybe scholarships are a good option for you. Is there any risk investing in Axie Infinity? Well, yeah, there are some problems with Axie Infinity, and you should be aware of them. Some of them are Axie Infinity has some serious server problems due to its popularity. The influx of gamers makes it server laggy. Aside from that, its growing players make it the #1 target of online attacks, such as distributed denial of service attacks. Another problem is about volatility, as the game is based on cryptocurrencies. As Ether, AXIES, and SLP, it's under the volatility they may have, which means that your earnings depend on those cryptocurrencies' performance, and profitability can vary a lot. Sadly, you can also get hacked, so try not to click on unknown links or trust anyone within the game Discord or even Instagram because you will get hacked. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And while you're here, click on any video flashing on your screen to stay updated. Also, please comment down below on which coin you want to see future price prediction next. Before ending this, kindly note that prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only, and hence should not be considered as financial advice. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.